Eurnzd, this is a trade that I'm looking to take. I'm going to do a nice breakdown from the weekly all the way down to the 15-minute time frame, showing you exactly how and why I'm going to take a short position on this pair. So weekly time frame, as usual, we can actually see a nice connection of these highs, just marking out our guides really, just so we know exactly what's going on with the bigger picture. We're trading within this nice triangle formation. We have this lovely impulse bearish move here. Now price is coming in for an exhaustion. Price may continue to exhaust a little bit more to minimum the 0.382 fib level, which will be roughly around about that weekly 50 EMA, which will also be a high probability short zone. However, there may be a smaller intraday short zone shaping up right now, and that's exactly what I'm going to take you through. So let's take a look now here, zooming in on the daily time frame. So daily time frame, once again, we want to be marking support, resistance, trend lines, any structure, looking at the candlestick clues, anything which can build our bias with strength. So we're creating that high probability trade. We can see here straight away 1, 2, 3. What's happened? We have an uptrend, which is now broken. What naturally happens within the markets when we see a trend line break? We usually get some sort of exhaustion to retest before a drop. Great, so let's mark on this uptrend. Now, what else can we see? You can see a bit of resistance there where price has created that last low. We've broken the last low. We've also come back to retest that last low. This is now a double zone. It's higher probability taking a trade from a double zone than taking it from a singular zone. So that's why I love looking for double zones. So let's go down to the 4-hour time frame.
Caution! Hot tips!
Just refining everything, taking a closer look. We've got a nice downtrend here. We of course got this resistance we just looked at. We can see it very clearly there now. This is now a triple zone. We've got a 4-hour time frame downtrend. We've got the back of that weekly uptrend, which is coming through here. We've also got this last low acting as resistance. So needless to say, the trade is actually starting to stack up with multiple confluences. Going down to the hourly time frame, we can see price is actually testing this region here right now. 1, 2, 3. What would I like to see? A spike above to potentially take the trade even lower. So it'd be a fake out to the upside, showing rejection in the form of a high test candle. Then price drops. The trade will actually come invalid if price breaks, retests, and then we end up with some sort of engulfing candle here. That means this level's been broken above, especially if we see a 4-hourly and a daily close above this level. I'll be thinking, okay, this is no longer a valid short position, and I'll reanalyze. I won't just walk away from this pair because I've already done all this analysis. I'll still use this analysis to my advantage, but I'll still be reanalyzing, just refining and looking for other potential setups. But at the moment, I'm looking for a short position if I see rejection of my triple zone. Going down to the 15-minute time frame, we can see this nice little box region here where prices have been bouncing around within. We get rejection of the top of this box region. I will be looking to take a short, easily a 1-to-3 risk-reward ratio there. Nice setup, black and white. Of course, if price breaks above, it will become invalid as we just explained. But at the moment, shorts are looking good for Eurnzd. Catch my daily updates by subscribing to my channel. If you want to see some more analysis now, click here and there's a link in the bio if you